Isaiah 54, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Tell yourself Deuteronomy 28, I am the head and not the tail. Tell yourself Psalm 18, the Lord is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer. Tell yourself Psalm 20, some trust in chariots and some trust in horses, but we will remember the name of the Lord. Tell yourself Romans 8.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Did you all saw those two cars, the way they just cut across in front of Ronaldinho? Luckily, he's a good driver. Now today he's going to work and I'm just here to accompany him. I wanted to see where he's working. How are you feeling?
I feel good.
You feel good? So you feel good going to work? Proud of you.
Yo, and this with right people. That's my thing. Yes. I'm just going to work. So usual. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pro vehicle service. That's my work.
Where you work?
Pro vehicle service.
People take a good look in my son book. My son work at Pro Vehicles. Hey, Nessa. So he's going to work in Happy.
Yeah, you can follow them on Instagram, Pro Vehicle Service. Yeah.
My son's
car fix or anything. Yeah, tell them that you sent it.
So if you want your car to fix,
just let them know that Dino sent you.
Alright. That sounds great.
Yeah.
Country around, son. I wish my son work, you know. Woodland people. Woodland. My son leave out of London and gone to the countryside a bit to find work because he couldn't get any job in London to do what he really wants to do, which is the car engineering, because that's what he studied. You need to find work in the field that he studied. I'm so proud of my son.
Thank you, man.
Nah lie. I feel proud. I'm happy. Yes, me love. Talk to me nice. Nice, clean son. What did I say? And I focus on the road, another one, not giving no foolishness with me, you know.
Keep my eye on the road.
Keep your eyes on the road. So this video is about Ronaldinho. But I just got hear my advice today. Talk truth. I just a truth sister girl. You're crazy? No, I'm just a happy person. Yes. You wanna see?
showing support. You feel me? Yeah, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. It's better bus people. There's a little stoplight.
Temporary stoplights. You know what kind of job that? Just draw one wire? Wire job? No joke. You don't know, you don't know. Run your sayaga?
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
So when you take the train, you walk the lonely road, yeah?
Yeah. But it's okay though, because after work, they drop us back to the train station.
So after work?
Yeah, they just drop us at the train station. Make sure you put these roads in there.
No man, so other place people have to come to care coffee fix.
But it's not a problem though, because we can come to you by the way, so don't even,
So guys, if you can't make your way here, they will come to you. They have mobile car service.
Yeah.
So per vehicle have mobile car service. So if you can't come, they will come to you. Literally come to you.
Yeah.
Yes. Cause you see stress to come here?
The potholes are crazy out there.
You what?
The potholes, look.
So you reach?
Yeah, this is me.
Nah man. I'm like it's hard for find this work.
See what the cars coming out again.
So that's where his garage is. Today I'm taking Ronaldinho to work because I wanted to see where he's working.
No, you followed me to work.
Today I'm at Ronaldinho's workplace. Yes guys, he drive and I'm just gonna see where he works. So this is the place where he works and stay tuned. So the driver gone.
Yeah, I gotta go, man.
You got to go.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care, everyone, yeah?
Hi Dino, my son is going to work. I'm so proud. So I'll see you later. Bye. It's alright. Nobody there has a thief car. Bye Dino. Your workplace lock. Watch me with my mix-up self and fast self. So this is where he works. If you can't take your car here, pro vehicle, then they will come to you. So them shut him out and them have to call him to open me. You're gonna leave me alone. Yes. Oh, you duck on that? Ah, bye. My son is gone. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am in Epping. I follow Ronaldinho to work because I wanted to see where he's working, and I am a proud mother knowing that Ronaldinho got this job all by himself. Yes people, he's now working at Pro Vehicle. Going college, so he go college part-time and he's also working part-time. That I am very proud. Let me come out of the room. So people, honestly say my son really want for work. You see how far he come and look one job? Far outside of London, you know. Wanna see this? My son now play a joke. Wow. May I have to stop? people, no see about my son really come look work. Far, you know. Far. Don't the sound look a motor. Yes. So honestly, my son really want to work. I'm so proud of him. The area where Ronaldina is now working, he's working outside London. And I am so proud of my son, knowing that he went and got this job all by himself. I don't even know what to say, because this place, they're far from everything. Look on the area. And my son really pick up himself and find this job. I am so proud, knowing that he did this all by himself. Yes, nobody forced him to get a job. He's doing car engineering and he wanted to go and find a job, and that's what he did. Yes, people, I am so proud of him. Yes. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.